Hemp fiber. Harvesting. Hemp plants are cut, typically when they are in early bloom or have set seed. The harvested stalks are then dried. Retting. This is a critical first step to break down the bonds between the bast fibers and the woody herds. Water retting involves soaking the stalks in water to achieve the same separation, though dew retting is often preferred for industrial use. Dew retting, a common method where stalks are laid in the field to allow moisture and microbes to break down the plant's structure, separating the fibers. Decortication. The retting process makes the stalks brittle enough for the fibers to be mechanically or manually separated from the herds. Mechanical decortication. Machines like stationary or mobile decorticators are used to separate the bast fibers. Manual decortication. For smaller quantities, handheld brakes or specialized machines can be used to break the stalks and release the fibers. Fiber cleaning scotching. A scotching sword or other tools are used to remove further debris from the fiber. Hackling. The fibers are passed over a comb-like bed of nails to further separate, clean, and align them. Combing. The fibers are combed to separate them into different lengths, creating long fibers, line fiber, and shorter fibers. Further processing. The cleaned and sorted hemp fibers are then ready for various industrial applications.